So I'm Kunal, hi, and today we'll be covering rotate string question from lead code. This question is from string. So what it states basically is that string is given ABCD, and we have to tell whether after a certain number of shifts it will contain this string or not. Like the leftmost will come at the rightmost position, B, C, D, E, A. So as you say, on one shift it will become this. So basically you have to prove this. So the first approach which comes into my mind is we can use a simple brute force that will shift once, will compare, will shift another time, will compare. So that basically that is not that optimal because it almost takes around O(n) square time complexity, right? So that's not optimal. So let's come to the optimal one. Let's move to the optimal approach. The optimal approach is very simple. It's a simple trick. Just multiply the string twice. So as you multiply the string twice, it will return in like this string. And when you just have a look, the this part will return the zero shift when no shift is done. From B to A, it will be the first shift. After shifting the first, whatever the string will be formed, it will be here. After the second shift, the string, this one, okay. So it is done using Raymond carve method internally, and just for the sake of remembering, you can just simply remember the trick that multiply the string twice, it will return you, and use contains or in C++ find, whatever method suits you best, to just contains goal to check whether the goal is there or not, and contains is implemented on the length of the array. So as here our length is twice, as you have twice the array, so it will be taking over 2n, and of course the concatenation will take O(n). So it will be done in around O3 and O1 plus O2n. So not a very big time complexity like the earlier one. So that's fine. And the code is very simple. That's a pseudocode. Bool s string, both the string will be passed. Yeah, there's a case when if let's say if we don't have E here, so it's just ABCD and it's CDEAB. So there's no point in comparing it. So we'll directly return false if the length is not equal, and then we'll come create a double array. We'll return whether it contains or not. It will return true or false. That's a simple bool function. Thank you. Let's see the code.